Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put gas in your Ford Edge. First, locate the fuel door release button, typically found on the driver's side dashboard or door panel. Press this button to unlatch the fuel door. Once unlatched, gently open the fuel door all the way. This simple step ensures you have full access to the fuel cap for the next part of the process. Now that the fuel door is open, it's time to remove the fuel cap. Twist the cap counterclockwise until it loosens completely. Once it's free, carefully remove the cap. Most Ford Edge models have a convenient holder on the inside of the fuel door where you can hang the cap. This keeps it safe and prevents it from dangling or getting dirty while you fuel up. With the cap removed, you're ready to start fueling. Take the appropriate fuel nozzle and insert it fully into your Ford Edge's fuel tank opening. Make sure it's seated firmly. Then, squeeze the handle to begin dispensing fuel. The nozzle is designed to automatically stop when your tank is full, so listen for that distinct click. This prevents overfilling and ensures a safe fueling experience. After the nozzle clicks and you've finished fueling, carefully remove the nozzle and place it back on the pump. Now, replace your fuel cap by turning it clockwise until you hear several clicks, ensuring a tight seal. Finally, close the fuel door firmly until it latches securely. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. You're all set to hit the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.